Hello dear students, today I am going to start accounting equation. In my previous video we have already discussed the theory portions of accounting equation based on their three terms: A equal to C plus L or A equal to C plus R minus E plus L. Assets, always assets equal to capital plus revenue minus expenses plus liabilities. Now one example, how to prepare accounting equation. Now this is the question: prepare accounting equation from the following. Number one transaction: Ram started business with cash 50,000. Second transaction: purchase goods for cash rupees 20,000 and on credit rupees 30,000. Number three: sold goods for cash rupees 40,000 but costing price rupees 30,000. Next transaction: rent paid rupees 2,000. Next, purchase furniture on credit 5,000. Last transaction: wages outstanding rupees 4,000. Every transactions we are follow double entry system. That means left hand side is equal to right hand sides, or assets equal to always matched on capital plus liabilities. Now first discuss one by one, then also how to prepare accounting equation in their specific format also. Ram started business with cash, but in this case there are two forms are increases. Cash increases on the forms, another capital also increases. That is, the both sides are equal, cash equal to capital. Next transaction: purchase goods for cash 20,000 and credit 30,000. What do you mean? Total goods or stock or inventory increases 20,000 plus 30,000. That is equal to stock or inventory increases 50,000. On the same times cash decrease minus 20,000 and also firms creditors, but goods on credit, that means creditors firms increases. This is the creditors is the one types of liabilities, also increases 30,000. That means left hand sides stock increases 50,000, cash decreases 20,000, that is equal to 30,000 left hand sides, right hand sides always 30,000, that is the creditors. Next, sold goods for cash 40,000, that is the cash, but costing price only rupees 30,000. What do you mean? But in the cost price, but sales price 40,000. Sales is more than cost price. What is the difference? That is the profit. Profit equal to S minus C, that is equal to 40,000 minus 30,000. That is the 10,000. Now profit increases means also their revenue increases. But what is the effect of this transaction? The cash increases, cash in the forms of asset size increases cash 40,000, but also stock or inventory decreases minus 30,000. That is left hand side equal to 40,000 minus 30,000 equal to 10,000, but right hand sides only revenue increases 10,000. That means again also match left hand side equal to right hand sides. Okay, everybody understand? Now next, rent paid rupees 2,000. Rent is the one of the expenses. What is the format of expenses? Means always matched on capital. That means your firm's capital decreases 2,000. On the same time also your cash minus 2,000. That means cash decreases 2,000 and also capital decreases 2,000. That is left hand side minus 2,000, right hand side also minus 2,000. Okay. Next transaction: purchase furniture on credit. That is the purchase, two types of purchase, cash purchase and credit purchase. But purchase furniture, furniture is the firm's assets. What is the effect on this transaction on accounting equation? That is assets increases. Which types of assets? Name of the assets furniture. That means left hand side furniture increases 5,000. On the same time their creditors also increases 5,000. Left hand side equal to 5,000, right hand side equal to 5,000. After every transaction, then also find out their new equation. New equation always again match. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Very easy. Now next, last transaction, outstanding wages. Outstanding wages means that is the due not paid in cash. What is the formation? That is the one of the again liabilities increases. That is the right hand side increases. Outstanding wages. What is the outstanding wages increases? 4,000. But on the same times also capital decreases 4,000. That is plus minus 0. Right hand side 0. Left hand side also 0. Now then just only how to prepare accounting equation. Okay, now top portions you write accounting equation. Accounting equation, this is the format all students are follow. This is the accounting equation. These are transactions. A equal to C plus L. Now, first transaction. Ram started business with cash. Now, that is equal to cash increases and capital increases. What is the format? Cash 50,000 and capital also 50,000. Second transaction, purchase goods for cash and credit. That means one, inventory increase. What is the amount of inventory increases? Total inventory 50,000. Second transaction, that is the cash decrease 20,000 and also their creditors increases 30,000. Now also check, this is the no effect on capital. Left hand side equal to plus minus 30,000, right hand side always 30,000. That means always match. A equal to C plus L. Then after one transaction, then you find out their new equation. New equation. New equation always match. That is cash 50 minus 20, 30,000. And then inventory 50,000. In this sides, capital 50,000, creditors 30,000. Again also check 50 plus 30, 80,000. Right hand side also 50 plus 30, 80,000. Okay. Third transaction, sold goods for cash rupees 40,000, costing rupees 30,000. Okay. Point number 3 or C transaction, that is the cash increase 40,000, that is a cash increase 40,000, but in the same time their stock value goes out, that is the decreases inventory 30,000. 30,000 decreases, but in the form of total profit 10,000. 10,000 means your capital increases 10,000. Then no effect, creditor 0. Now again your check always plus minus 40 minus 30 equal to 10, right hand side also 10,000. Now again you are find out their new equation. New equation. short form EQN. 40 plus 30 equal to 70,000. Okay, again plus minus, that is equal to inventory indicate 20,000, after sale 30,000 their cost price. This equal to 50 plus 10 equal to 60,000 plus 30,000. Again you are always check left hand side, 70 plus 20,000 equal to 90,000, right hand side is also 60 plus 30,000 equal to 90,000. Next transaction, that is the rent paid rupees 2,000. Point number 4, rent paid 2,000. Rent paid means your cash decrease 2,000, that no change in their inventory, that is 0, but in the form of your business expenditure, that means capital decrease 2,000. Right hand sides, always left hand side equal to right hand sides. Again you are find out the new equation, short form new equation NE, or new equation, that is equal to cash after deducting wages paid, cash 70,000 minus 2,000 equal to 68,000 plus 20,000, but in this case their capital decreases 2,000, 58,000 plus 30,000. Again always checks 68,000 plus 20,000 equal to 88,000, but right hand side is always 88,000. That means always check mathematical equation, just plus 3 plus 5 equal to 8. How to indicate? Left hand side equal to right hand side. Same also always they are assets equal to capital plus liabilities. Okay, now next transaction, purchase furniture for rupees 5,000. That is, the furniture is the one of the assets increases. So many assets, this is the assets increase, furniture increase. Now furniture column increases 5,000, but furniture is not purchased in cash, but in case of cash purchase, then cash decrease 5,000, but furniture purchase on credit, that means firm's creditors increase. Always you are starting their creditor, that is creditors value increases again 5,000. Okay, there no change capital, no change on their cash and stock or inventory. Left hand side again 5,000 equal to right hand side 5,000. Now then again you are find out new equation. That is cash again 68,000 plus 20,000 plus 5,000. This is the capital, then no change 58,000 same, creditors increase 35,000. Okay, last transaction, that is the outstanding wages. Outstanding wages, what is the amount? Outstanding wages amount 5,000. Outstanding wages 4,000. Last transaction, point number 6, outstanding wages 1 again also increases liabilities, outstanding short form O by S, outstanding wages. Now outstanding wages increases 4,000, but on the same times also your capital decrease 4,000, but no change on their creditors plus 0, and left hand side always 0, no effect. Just you have the check left hand side plus minus, that is 0, right hand side also plus minus 0. Now then last new equation. Again also 68,000 cash, this is equal to 20,000 plus 5,000, and this is equal to 54,000 plus 35,000 plus 4,000. Always check again also left hand side is equal to right hand side. Everybody understands? Thank you.